John, other than making a mess, what are we doing here?
Oh,
today?
all right. I love it when people have a house cocktail for their guests when they come in.
Yes.
And so, for me, normally, it's usually a classic margarita or some sort of riff on that. Maybe a spicy margarita, mezcal margarita, a Bacanora.
That's a lot of everything.
I know, no. But for this house, it's so beautiful and it's great for late night lounging. And there's a card table over there. So I thought we'd do a classic Southwestern riff on the Old Fashioned.
Okay.
So we call this a Oaxacan or Sonoran Old Fashioned.
Great.
So let's just take the essential ingredients. So we've got 1 part of mezcal. This is one of my little favorites.
Fantastic.
So we're going to add 1 part of tequila. And because it's late night, I'm using an añejo tequila. So we're going to throw that in there.
Can't wait to see it's done.
Then we're going to use 2 parts of a Mexican corn whiskey. And this is the Adictivo. And it's full of caramel flavors and vanilla notes.
You actually that's really good.
Isn't it great?
Yes.
And then we add a little bit of this corn liqueur called mixta. Once again, a Mexican corn liqueur. Gives us a little popcorn and buttery flavor. It's fabulous.
Sounds so good.
A little touch of sweetener in there. So I'm using some agave nectar. And then I'm going to throw in some bitters. So I've got some chocolate bitters. I've got some orange bitters. We love that orange note with this.
Seems like you've done this sometime.
I might have. And I had to survey a lot to figure out how to make this. Yeah.
Okay.
And then a little splash of habanero for a little late night spice. So then we're going to stir that all up in a mixing glass. So about 20 or 30 stirs. Because what I want to do is dilute the drink slightly with water and just make it softer and more approachable.
So John, I know there's 9 bedrooms at this house. We're going to have to make a lot of these.
I know. A lot of cocktails for the people coming in.
Yes.
But this is where it gets fun. So just pour it into a nice lowball glass full of ice.
Okay.
It's a beautiful late night cocktail, but it gets a little better because what we're going to do is flame and express some orange peel.
Uh-oh. I better have what's ready.
Oh yeah, definitely. You never know what's going to go wrong. One, 2. So we're bringing out all the oils on that. It's just a little more than you would normally do. And it makes it very, very special. Always turn off your flames.
Yes.
Then we're going to just express it over there, wrap it up, tuck it down the side. Same thing here. Express the oils, and it's got this beautiful little charred orange smell. And now the first thing they're going to smell is that orange. But what a great cocktail for sipping. And it's worthy of this house. This house is magnificent.
This is entertainment. Thank you. Cheers. Wow, that's really good.
It's pretty good.
That is really good. Wait, one more step.